Let us see on how to create a video thumbnail for YouTube. So go to the website of leonardo.ai, click on launch app. It takes you to app.leonardo.ai. Then click on image. Okay, now just type in the video title. So let's take the example of this particular video. So copy the title and paste it over here, and then you can let the default style be dynamic. Click on 16 by 9. This is the aspect ratio of the YouTube thumbnail. You can select the option of number of images is 1, and then click on generate. Okay, so basically add a little phrase, create a YouTube thumbnail for the video generate. This is a completely free website, but you just have to sign up using your Google account so that you can log into your account, and with this you have a thumbnail that is ready for you. And now what you can do is you can just click on download. Over here there is an option called as download image. Click on it, and you will be able to download it. YT thumbnail. So that's about it. If you love watching our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.